Okay, today we're going to do the flipped lesson for lesson 7.7 in your Go Math books. Today's title is Add or Subtract Mixed Numbers. And our essential question is, how can you add and subtract mixed numbers with like denominators? Okay, if you relate this to what we've already learned how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators, and so all we're changing now is that we're working with mixed numbers. And if you remember back to 7.6, mixed numbers are just a number that's represented by a whole number and a fractional part. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. After a party, there were 1 4/6 quesadillas left on one tray and 2 3/6 quesadillas left on another tray. How many quesadillas were left? Okay, so I want to know how many quesadillas were left, and I know that 1 4/6 quesadillas and 2 3/6. So if I have two groups that I'm going to be putting together, what operation that's going to be is addition. Okay, and then is the sum of the fractional parts of the mixed numbers greater than 1? So is the sum, when I add 4/6 and 3/6, is that going to be more than 1? Okay, 4/6 and 3/6 would be 7/6, so that's more than 1, so the answer is yes. Okay, so here's our example. You're going to add the mixed numbers. Think to yourself, add the fractional parts of the mixed numbers. So all they're doing is they've taken off the 4/6 and the 3/6, and they're adding those together with this model. So I'm going to shade in 4/6 and 3/6. Okay, when I shade 4/6 and 3/6 together, that makes 7/6. Okay, step 2 is to add the whole number parts of the mixed numbers. Okay, so I've already done 4/6 plus 3/6 equals 7/6. Now I'm just going to do 1 plus 2. Well, if I have one whole plus 2 wholes, that would be 3 altogether. Okay. And then step 3, I just need to rename the sum. So I'm thinking to myself, 7/6 is greater than 1, and you can see in the model that it was more than one whole piece, or whole pizza, I guess, or quesadilla. So I'm going to group the wholes together to rename the sum. So all I'm doing here is the model shows that a total of 4 wholes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/6 were left over. Okay, when you look at the math behind that, 3 and 7/6 equals 3 plus 6/6 plus another 1/6. So this part right here is 7/6. Okay, so now when I've broken it apart that way, all I'm doing now is 3 plus, I've renamed 6/6 as 1, plus 1/6 is actually 3 plus 1 is 4, and then leave the fractional part, so I have a mixed number of 4 and 1/6. Okay, and so that means that together, the 1 4/6 plus 2 3/6 means that 4 and 1/6 quesadillas were left. Okay, now we're going to turn the page and go to page 424, and we have another example here. On this example, we're going to be subtracting mixed numbers. Okay, this says Alejandro has 3 4/6 quesadillas. His family ate 2 3/6 of the quesadillas. How many quesadillas are left? So we want to know how many are left. He starts with 3 4/6. He loses or gets rid of, they eat 2 3/6. They ate them. Okay, so my problem I'm trying to solve today is 3 4/6 minus 2 3/6. Okay, I'm going to shade the model to show 3 4/6. Okay, so that I need 3 whole pieces. Or 3 whole quesadillas. And then 4/6 on the last one. Okay, now I'm going to cross out 2 3/6 to model the subtraction. So 2 whole quesadillas are gone, and then I'm going to take away 3/6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the difference is 1 whole and then 1/6. 1 and 1/6. Okay, and so there are 1 and 1/6 quesadillas left. Now, to show that with math, all I've done here is I've taken my 3 4/6 that I originally shaded, Okay? And of the 4/6 on the last quesadilla, I took away 3 of them. So 4/6 minus 3/6 leaves 1/6. Okay? And then 3 whole pieces minus 2 whole equals 1. So 1 and 1/6 is the way I show that with math. I subtract the fraction part, and then I subtract the whole number part. Okay? So now it's your job to show what you can do with adding and subtracting mixed numbers on the share and show. You need to do number 3 and number 6 first because those are graded, but make sure you do all the others if you have time.